how to draw in the isometric plane. I explain now in Autocad. First I open the new tab. Here go to bottom side isometric drafting off. You have to enable this on, switch it on this. Then ensure that isoplane top. Now I start the diagram. Select line from anywhere you can start and switch it on this ortho mode on. This also important. And this all the lines go to the 30-degree inclination. This is isometric projection. So this line I take 80 mm, 80, enter. Then this direction I draw the base rectangle. So 140, enter. Then this direction 80, enter, and close, enter. Base I rectangle I draw this, and height of this base as per direction from here to I draw the height of the rectangle, but this line is go to this direction. You have to press F8 or F5. You have to change the direction. And give the height as per question 30 mm, enter. Then change the direction, press F5. F5 and F8 key only working in the isometric drafting. This side 80, enter, and close, enter. Then I need to draw this horizontally this direction. Press F5 again and give the length of 140, enter, and close the height. Next here one slot. This slot length is as per question. Here this end to this end 60 mm, and this height is 15 mm. So take one line from here to 30, enter, and the height. So press F5. Height is 15 mm, enter. Then this length is 60, enter, and downwards. Then go to trim command. Use trim the unwanted lines. You first draw this shape. Here one half round slat is there. This half round slat I draw this now. In this isometric drawing, circle or arc, it is not directly not able to draw circle. So go to ellipse command, axis end. In the ellipse command, 3 variable types of ellipse. You select axis end method, select this, and very important, select the iso circle. In the isometric drawing, in the circle like the iso circle, select the circle and keep the center point. Now this circle also you have to change the direction. See here, it is one more direction. It is our required direction. This other direction. So which direction you need the circle, that direction you have to change with in the keyboard. Press F5 key. F5 key, press it and change the direction. This direction, and diameter is 30 mm, radius 30 mm. So enter. Now you have to trim the unwanted lines. Okay. Now take line command. From this to downwards draw one line. Press F5. Enter. From this end to same line. Enter. Take line. Some random length draw and you have to use trim command and remove the unwanted lines. Okay. Next, go to copy command. Select this. Enter. Copy the same line from this end and trim the unwanted portions. This line no need and this line no need. This line no need. Okay. Now look at this. This shape we drawn. Next, I try to draw this shape, this half round shape, and inside one through hole. Okay. Select line command. From this end to height is already I draw 30 mm. So again one more 30. Enter. And this length is 80. Enter and draw downwards some random length and trim the unwanted portion. Here draw one half round circle. See here, this half round circle you have to draw. So go to ellipse command because circle not working here in the isometric drawing. Select iso circle. Center. Move the cursor on triangle shape coming. This is a iso circle and keep this like this diameter. Okay. The bottom portion be no need. Select trim this unwanted portion. In this center, one more circle inside diameter of 40 mm. This circle diameter of 40 mm. So again go to axis and iso circle. Select the center diameter of select the diameter 40. Enter. Okay. Now use trim command. Trim the unwanted lines. Okay. Now here we draw the one line only, but we need this side also. So just you copy this diagram. Go to copy both all the lines. You got copy this line also. Copy. Enter. Move on in the last and this thickness is plus F5 as per question. It is 20 mm. 20. Enter. Here also 20. Enter. Okay. Now again copy. Enter from here to here one more and here also one. Okay. The base side one straight line up to this. Okay. Now you go trim the unwanted lines. Before that, in this curved shape here, draw one line from like this. Move the cursor this midpoint is so that then trim. Okay. This line no need. Unwanted lines select and trim. This circle unwanted line. Okay, next this line no need. This line no need. This line also no need. Compare the diagram. You delete the unwanted lines. This line no need. Okay, next as per diagram, here one straight line inside through like this and trim. Okay. We got this final shape like this. It is isometric drawing. Okay. Now you give the dimensions also as per dimension you got to draw. So go to annotate. Here working in the aligned dimension only. Select aligned dimension from here to here. Give the dimension. As per questions, it is 140. Okay, all the dimension it is not visible, so go to dim style, modify, select fit, overall use overall scale of 3 1 instead of 1 you got give 3, and primary is also no need decimal value, put 0, and the lines color I change it extension line color magenta and give OK, set current and close. Okay, it is one part. Now we give the normal all the dimensions aligned from here to here 80, aligned here to here 60, aligned dimension here to here 10, and height of this here to here 30, aligned here to here this cap 40. See this dimension is go to the inclination direction, so we need to state in the isometric projection any drafting you have to use a dimension. Go to annotate dimension, here select oblique dimension, it is very important. Select oblique dimension, then select the dimension, then enter in the keyboard. The opposite straight line you got to select 2 points straight, this comes straight. Select oblique dimension 80 and 10 also, enter. Both corners should like this, it is come straight. Dimension oblique, select, enter. Okay, next select this dimension, enter, enter, opposite is this, it is come straight now. So this radius, it is not working here, radius not working, so select leader, touch this and ortho on, press F8 ortho on, click here, you have to give in typing, this radius is as per question or 40, enter, enter, circle dimension and then give like this only, select a leader and select the circle, it is dia symbol, dia symbol needs mean here shift percentage D, sorry, percentage C and diameter is 40, give like this. Okay, in this 9th week isometric projection, isometric drawing, you have to draw like this only, this grid also change like this, no? Okay, thank you.